Hello everyone, Nicolas for the GASPÉ, and I'd like to introduce you to the Klein dining table. So what we're looking at today is the table in the 40 by 96 walnut format, but it would also have been possible to have it in several other dimensions. So 36 by 60 for 6 people, 36 by 72 for 6 to 8 people, 40 by 84 for 8 people, 40 by 96 like this one for 8 to 10 people. And for those of us lucky enough to have a very large dining room, the extra large 48 by 108 inches dining table for 10 to 12 people. The Klein dining table has been designed to be both classic and sophisticated, and different from what you'd normally see in other stores. There are a lot of little details in the woodwork that are important to pay attention to and that make it stand out a little. In this case, we're thinking of the rabbited top at the junction here between the belt and the legs. The shape of the legs is different from what we usually see, with a small 45 radius and a flat inside. It's also possible to have a bench to match any table size. So in fact, to choose the right bench to go with the table, simply take the bench that's about 10 inches smaller than the table. This will ensure that the bench can fit between the legs of the table. So if you want to create a dance floor in your dining room, you can tuck the bench under the table and save that space. As this is a dining room table, it's also important to talk about the finish because it's a surface we use a lot. It's a water-based finish, so it's a green, environmentally friendly finish, but it's also very solid. Before choosing our type of finish, we tested it with red wine for 3 days and coffee, so it's really a super strong finish that's going to last over time. The Klein dining table is a model that can be matched with several models in our collection. Often in the showroom, we'll present it with the cane buffet, we'll perhaps present it with jazz chairs, but it could just as easily go with Volt 670 chairs or Namiya 2820 chairs, for example. Here we have the model in solid walnut, of course, but it would have been possible to have it in solid yellow birch or solid white oak. It's also very easy to disassemble. Basically, it's a matter of, we'll show you some pictures. You turn it upside down. There are simply screws with Allen keys on each side. Unscrew the center cross piece and then pull the leg out just like that. So if you ever need to move to another house or anything, it won't be a headache at all with 56,000 different screws. So voila, now you know everything about the Klein dining table, but if you want more details or if there are questions you still have that you'd like to ask us, you can contact us by email, by phone. You can come and see it in person in the showroom. We'll be delighted to help you with that. Thank you very much.